Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button below this video for more interesting videos. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make a lace closure using a ventilating needle. First, we are going to cut out the hair from the weft. And after that, we remove the little tiny hair we are not going to be using and throw them away. That is if you don't find them useful. Sometimes when I'm using the original hair for closure, I do keep the little tiny hair for baby hair. Sometimes I do use the little tiny hair to ventilate baby hair. Next, you take the little bit of the hair and fold it. Create the loop by folding one short end and one long end like this. Okay, to start, we take our ventilating needle, pass it through the lace, hook one or two strands of hair, pass it through the lace again like this. We take our ventilating needle. Can you see what I'm doing? Wrap it around the hair like this, rotate it upside down this way, and pull it through the loop, just like this. Again, we take our ventilating needle, pass it through the lace like this, hook one or two strands of hair again, pass it through the lace again, take our needle and wrap it around the hair like this, rotate it upside down this way, and pull it through the loop, just like this. Again, we take our needle, pass it through the lace, pick one or two strands of hair, pass it through the lace again, take our ventilating needle and wrap it around the hair like this again, rotate it upside down this way again, and pull it through the loop. That is just it for single knots. That is it. The reason why I'm zooming it this much is because I really want you guys to see how the ventilating needle is being moved in and out. I hope you guys will understand. Don't worry if the hair you are ventilating is being rough. By the time you comb or brush it, everything will definitely look smooth. Just make sure your knot is being tight enough. Just like I said earlier, this is single knot method. Once again, thank you for joining my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. And if you have already subscribed to this channel, God bless you for doing so. Please like this video, share, send me your comments, and also click on the notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a new video. Okay, let's proceed for double knot method. Alright, to start, we take our ventilating needle, pass it through the lace, hook one or two strands of hair, pass it through the lace again, take our needle, wrap it around the hair, rotate it upside down and pull it through the loop. But this period, you're not going to pull everything out You take it up again, wrap it around the hair the second time, then pull it through the loop, just like this. One more time. You take our ventilating needle, pass it through the legs, hook 1 or 2 strands of hair, pass it through the legs again, take our needle, wrap it around the hair like this, rotate it upside down and pull it. Don't pull it out finished, take it up again, rotate it upside down and pull it the second time, just like this. I hope you guys understand what I'm doing. This is just it for double knot method. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like. Also send me your comments. Let me know what you guys feel about it. Once again, thank you for stopping by. See you next time. Bye bye.